see how to create the same program in JavaScript. For that, I have created the file called grade.js. Here I have written the JavaScript code. First line consult readline equal to required readline dot create interface. Required readline, this is import the bulletin readline module in node.js, which is used to read input from the command line. Command line is terminal. Create dot interface creates the interface to handle both input and output. Second line input to process dot std dot in tells the node.js to take input from the keyboard. Output process dot std dot out tells the node.js to show output on the console. Readline dot question, what is your name? Name equals to greater than. Readline.question displays the question what is your name and waits for the user to type an answer. The text the user type is passed into the callback function as the variable name. The arrow function name equals to greater than is used to define what happens after the user enters the name. Console.log hello dollar flower bracket name. This line prints the greeting message to the console. It uses template letters means black ticks to insert the user's input dollar name inside the string. Now execute this program. I will execute by clicking on terminal. I will execute this program. Here I will choose new terminal. To execute the JavaScript code in Visual Studio, we have a command called node. After that, we need to give the file name as we are given here. Let's click on enter. Here it will asking for the username. I will give it as Sri. Click on enter. We will get as a we will getting the output as hello Sri. That's it. Thank you.